This is cooking class with Chloe, right? Tell him.
This cooking class for Coco.
Okay.
So.
Can you break this egg? Okay, hold on. I'll start it.
Can you?
Okay, tear it apart. Pull it apart. Oh, yeah. Wait a minute. Hold on. Wipe your panties off. All right, let's pick the eggs out of there. Do another one.
I want you to do the other
Okay,
one.
now pull it apart. Here you go. There you go. Should we get one more egg? Oh, we might as well do 2 more eggs because that's all we got. You grab it. Oh, it's okay here. We'll teach you better later on, okay? I don't see any eggshells in there, do you? Okay, one more egg.
I want you to do it because I know how.
Okay. Then we can do it with one hand.
But I can do it with 2 hands.
Yep. Don't go anywhere, okay? Hold on. You gotta sing a song for your cooking show? John Jacob
Jingleheimer Smith. His name is my name too. And whenever we go out, the people always shout, John Jacob Jingleheimer Smith.
All right, I gotta turn this off because, okay, say we're gonna make scrambled eggs.
We're gonna make 7 eggs.